bullshit.
Can you go in? Can you make sure that the potatoes are taken off? Can you get the turkey ready and all
You just
that?
want me
Yeah,
to
go
do it, Grandma?
do your job.
Yeah, fine. You come up. Get upstairs with me.
Jeez. Can't I get any peace when I come home? This is so fucking stupid.
Okay, seriously. I am having to deal with all of the in-laws. I'm having to deal with your grandma saying, oh, the mashed potatoes are too lumpy, and oh, the turkey isn't done well enough. I'm having to deal with all that, and oh, don't you ever clean the house? Your dad's not getting off of his cell phone. He's giggling like a little schoolgirl. Your sister won't get off of her cell phone. I mean, I'm beyond stressed. And then with your Aunt Deb asking me if I'll take her daughter because you're at college, I have an extra room.
And you wonder why I don't want to be around them either?
Okay, you don't have to stay here. You're going back to college. I have to live this.
I'm sorry.